following is a non-precipitation statement from the National Weather Service for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Cape May, Inland Ocean, and southeastern Burlington. What? Southeast winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour expected. Where? In New Jersey, Atlantic, Cape May, Ocean, western Monmouth, and southeastern Burlington. In Delaware, inland Sussex. When? From 6 a.m. this morning to 6 p.m. this evening. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Additional details: the strongest winds are expected from mid-morning through mid-afternoon. Please secure any temporary outdoor decorations. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects.